What do an obscure travel search engine, a failed social media platform, and the global phenomenon TikTok have in common? They were all stepping stones for one man, Zhang Yiming, who went from being a regular programmer to one of the world's youngest and wealthiest tech billionaires. His parents were civil servants and his upbringing was relatively modest. From a young age, though, he had an insatiable appetite for information. His first job was at a travel search engine startup called Qsun. How? He wasn't just doing his assigned tasks. He was obsessed with the entire product. He'd see a problem, and instead of just reporting it, he'd think about a solution, code it, and then present it. After his stint at Qsun, he even had a brief spell at Microsoft. But the corporate bureaucracy felt stifling to him. He was a builder, an innovator, and he craved speed and agility. This led him to join another startup, Fanfu, which was essentially a Chinese clone of Twitter. It was here that he got his first taste of the power of social media and user-generated content. Zhang saw firsthand how information could spread like wildfire and how a platform could connect millions of people. By 2009, he was ready to strike out on his own for the first time. With this vision, he founded ByteDance. His pitch was radical. Many investors were skeptical. They didn't believe an algorithm could replace human editors. But Zhang was convinced he was right. He launched the first product, an app called Toutiao, which means headlines in Chinese. In the beginning, growth was slow. They had to perfect the recommendation engine. Zhang and his team worked tirelessly, refining the algorithms. He believed that the only way to build a great product was to be obsessed with the user experience. And then, it happened. The algorithm started to work its magic. Users found their feeds becoming eerily accurate, filled with articles and videos they genuinely wanted to see. They started spending more and more time on the app. Toutiao exploded in popularity, attracting millions of users and making ByteDance a major player in China's tech scene. But he wasn't done. While Toutiao was conquering the news market, Zhang was already thinking about the next big thing: short-form video. It was visual, engaging, and perfectly suited for the short attention spans of the smartphone era. In 2016, ByteDance launched an app called Douyin for the Chinese market. It was a short video platform where users could create and share 15-second videos set to music. It combined a powerful video editor with the same addictive recommendation engine that made Toutiao a hit. Douyin became an overnight sensation in China, a cultural phenomenon. Seeing the global potential, Zhang made one of the most brilliant strategic moves in modern tech history. In 2017, ByteDance launched an international version of Douyin, which they named TikTok. At the same time, they acquired a competing app popular in the US and Europe, Musical. Lie for a reported $1 billion. They then merged Musical, Lie's user base into TikTok. This move was a masterstroke. It gave TikTok an instant foothold in the Western market, something no Chinese tech company had ever achieved on this scale. It redefined pop culture, created a new generation of stars, and became the go-to app for hundreds of millions of people, especially the youth. Zhang Yiming's management style is as unique as his products. He champions a concept he calls context, not control. He believes in giving his employees the full context of a problem and empowering them to find the best solution, rather than micromanaging them. He fosters a culture of open debate and intellectual honesty. He's a programmer at heart who prefers to let his products do the talking. From a curious kid reading newspapers in a small city to the mastermind behind a global tech empire, Zhang Yiming's journey is a testament to the power of a clear vision and relentless execution. He didn't invent social media or video sharing, but he perfected the engine that powers them. His story shows that with the right mix of curiosity, persistence, and a deep understanding of human behavior, it's possible to build something that truly changes the world.